Of course, nyaso. Gajo. Internet ajikata bublum. Nana Jojo, something is happening on the internet and everybody is talking about it. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa. People, let me ask you, how are you doing this? Like in we are me. Charlie, fear me at way. Charlie, make you teach them. You the disgrace of your people.
Mieto, our very own Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa.
Seriously, and Volta Regina, you are disgracing them seriously because like no plan me because what is going on right now, it's like shocking. And the internet is like something else. Edem agbanabari efia ya mungu kakahe ya dele ko jona ko he ya ko berai na ma nke jona ko berai me fia ya he ya. Seriously, ale ne ngomre fia mi atoma mleo. How are you doing this? It's like you have a secret you are not sharing with your colleagues in the Volta region. Try and share it with them so that at least the people in those various constituencies can also feel their presence, because what you are doing, you are putting them into a big mess. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa, enya make ga Uganda. Sukuvi yokata lepe constituency ama, e yokata ngolo dopo kwa. O student matres, eplagano. O chop boss yakata na koko yi suku ya kwa, epla katano. Everybody is talking on the internet because no MP is doing things you are doing. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa is doing, and it's like he's putting other colleagues into shame right now because we don't know how are you. How? It's like we are getting surprised every day. You put in something that then everybody will get surprised. I'm not going to talk too much. Mimi hapo video da aleuga ngumamno sukuvio lepe konsu
Ablakwa, the tradition continues. Every child born in North Tongu must have a fair chance at quality education.
Gawe akele wo me hwe nya to the one who would show them the route in the past. Show them Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa. Show them. Let's go and watch the video and then come back. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and be part of this great, because we are here to give you great content as how you want it.
Mieto, our very own Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. Azalo. Ablakwa, the tradition continues. Every child born in North Tongu must have a fair chance at quality education.
With the education of his people, his dear beloved constituents, his beloved North Tongu constituents. He doesn't
Students, I wish to remind you that this gesture comes with responsibility. In the beginning of who you will become in future.
I thank our chiefs and our queen mothers for coming to support me. Thank you very much.